So I think that it's very like if you're building something with Lego and you don't know what your thing's going to look like. So you put some blocks in and then you take some blocks out, and of course it's very important that the blocks are together, that you don't have holes, that it's not going to fall over, and you're continuously building and rebuilding and making sure that it's doing the thing that you want to, so that you end up with a nice Lego house or whatever it is that you're building. And that's like agile testing. And the best thing is that you don't do it alone, you do it with other people.
So there's a story that I read once about children that were approached that if they, the first person to reach a tree, they had to run for a tree, would get a basket of fruit. And the children all linked hands and ran to the tree together. So they all got the basket of fruit together. I think that's the best explanation of Agile to a 5-year-old, is linking hands and going together. So that would be what I would tell a 5-year-old what Agile means.
So I've got a 5-year-old, so it helps. I would say it's like building puzzles. That's how I see it. So to put it together is what we aim for. How you go about doing it, you need to have fun in the process. You need to work together with people, and that's the important thing. So that's the advice I give to my kids. Just make it fun. It's not about winning, it's about having fun in the process. And that's what I could say.
So at the time you used to exploratory testing all your life, so you explore objects, situations, so it's the same concept but applying to your shop.
First thing what you need to remember when you explain something to a child, get to his or her eye level. So the 5-year-olds, darling, you know how you wanted to have this dollhouse, and the dollhouse has a lot of accessories. So we got you a dollhouse, and then we are buying piece by piece the little dolls and furniture things. And you remember when the grandma got you a crib for your little doll in your little dollhouse and it didn't fit? So that's basically agile testing, to make sure that all little pieces fits together in the big picture.
Agile testing is playing with something for the first time, for the second time, see if it works in the way you want it to work, and see if you can break it.
Agile testing is like trying to ride a bike, juggling balls that are on fire, and the bike's on fire, and everything's on fire, and you're loving it every second.
So agile testing is like playing with Lego and making sure that things fit together. So when, let's say we're building a house just from bricks, and we have a little Lego man and he needs to live in the house. So the first thing we need to figure out is, does he fit? Can he get in the door? And once we've done that, we can start looking into, so is the house big enough? Sometimes we'll find out really fast that a house is not big enough to actually have a bathroom and a kitchen. And then we break it down. And because we do it all the time, we don't have to take a big thing and break it down. We can just break a little bit down and then rebuild it. And it's the same thing we do with software and computer programs, but it's much more fun with Lego though.